Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that I am finally filming this video because it's been a long time coming. Today I'm going to be testing the Bounce and Blur collection from bareMinerals, one of my all-time favorite brands. Their products consistently impress me and I'm so excited to finally tap into this collection. So I'm going to take you along as I try the products for the first time. I'm just going to do an eye look and use the Bounce and Blur blush.
You have to stay tuned
because at the end of this video I am going to be announcing my 10K giveaway. I'm going to be sharing all of the details. It's going to be pretty epic.
At least I think so.
You don't want to miss it. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I got this PR box from bareMinerals probably a month or two ago now. It has the beautiful Hailey Bieber on the front. She is currently their brand rep and I really love this partnership. When you open up the package, there is just all of the info up here and then the products. So there are 4 blushes and then 2 palettes. So basically all of these products are meant to be bouncy and blurrable and buildable. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. Just add a little blush and then create a really fall inspired eye look. The 4 blushes, this one is Pink Sky, which is beautiful. This might be the one that I use. It's a soft baby pink with a hint of shimmer in it and it's really totally my speed. This one is Coral Cloud, very similar to the previous, just a hint more coral orange undertone to it. This is Mauve Sunrise, it's a deeper pink mauve-y shade. It has a little sheen to it but not as much shimmer as the others. Final one is Blurred Buff, a brownish nude. So this is the Dusk palette. There are 5 shades. This is the one I want to use today. So we have Evening Star, Harvest Moon, Crimson Sunset, Sepia Sky, and Purple Twilight. Really excited to see how these wear. This one is Dawn. Ooh, this one's really beautiful. So the shades in this are Aurora Light, Pink Cloud, Misty Morning, Hazy Taupe, and Stormy Sky. Let's get started with the blush. I really can't get over how beautiful this color is. I wonder if you can truly see it through the camera. I haven't touched any of these, but they're supposed to be like bouncy. Oh, interesting. Just a little bit comes off on your finger and they say when you apply it, it's going to instantly blur and mattify the area. So I'm kind of excited for that. I'm gonna take a little bit on both of my fingers. The color's definitely transferring. I was a little worried that A, it wouldn't show up, or B, it would be way too dark and not really blendable, but this is blending very nicely. I like that. What a perfect amount of blush. Okay, I really like that. I don't use blush on an everyday basis, mainly because my favorite blushes are in like quads or bigger palettes, so they're kind of a pain to leave in my drawer or take with me. But that one's pretty tiny and I might put it into rotation. I love the subtle look that it gives. Not too drastic. It definitely applied very, very smoothly and I'm
pretty impressed.
I have heard that you can apply it with a brush, so that might be something that I try in the future, but today I really wanted to try the bounce technique. All right, let's move on to eyes. I want to create a fall, autumn inspired look, really deep and warm and soft and sultry, which is usually my favorite kind of look. I want to see how the look develops, but I did pull a couple of brown, purple, charcoal, and black eyeliners. We're going to kind of play with it as we go. Yeah, you can use your finger, but I don't really like applying shadows with fingers. Sometimes I'll apply a lighter shadow directly to my lid or just right in here with a finger, but normally I prefer a brush. We're going to get a little bit of this on our brush. I'm using a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease brush right now, and this brush is awesome. We're just going to apply this kind of all over right now. What I'm going to do now is go in with this Burgundy Crimson Sunset, and I'm going to deepen it up. I would have never been drawn to red, pink, or orange eyes. And in recent years, I feel like those are my favorite shades to do. Just love the way they look with my skin tone and the way they look on the lid. They're just underrated, in my opinion. Now I want to go in with one of the deeper colors, give it that smoky dimension. To go in with the lightest. go back with my crease blending brush, take the original color and just taking the tiny brush again, I'm gonna go in with red and line under my eye. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the deeper color. Using my finger, I'm gonna take a little bit of the lightest shade. This is where the bounce technique comes in. It does pull a good amount of product on your finger. I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. After you do your eyes, sometimes you just feel like you want to go back in and add a little more. So I'm just doing a little more red. I'm also doing my makeup on camera, so it always looks a little different. I think it's really pretty. All right, let's go in and do some liner. So I brought with me, this is the Uzi, oh my God, I forgot how to pronounce it. The Uzi Eye Opening Liner. I know it's a dark brown. I don't know exactly what the color is, but I'm gonna take this and apply. You know, wing liner is not my specialty, but we're doing our best. I love these liners. They're so creamy and easy to work with. Ooh, I am loving it. Now I'm gonna go in with this PS eyeliner. This is from Primark. I think it was actually part of an eyebrow kit. I don't know, it says eyeliner, but this is just a really deep, dark brown. I'm gonna go over the liquid liner, and then I'm gonna line my eye and waterline with this. See the difference? Okay, so if you're like me and you are not the best at winged liner, it always just looks a little funky. But once I apply my mascara, it completely blends in, and the wing, crooked or not, kind of looks like an eyelash. So we're gonna put mascara on now and start to wrap up this look. I'm gonna do one coat of the Velvet Caviar. And then using the Maybelline, the Colossal Volume Express Cat Eye Mascara, I'm gonna do another coat. We're gonna do the same on the other side. All right, and one more coat for good measure because you can never have too much mascara. Perfect. Okay, last up is the lip. I like to use the MAC Prep and Prime. I feel like it just helps keep your lipstick on all day. Just put this on and let it sit for a sec. And then I'm going to use the Laura Mercier lip liner in Plum Berry. I use this in my recent Get Ready With Me, and I use it almost every day. But I'm going to pair it with a much deeper lip than I normally go for. Slightly overlined just to give myself a little bit more of a lip. Then I'm going to use this Profusion Matte Lip Cream in Matte Cocoa. So I thought this would be a good deeper fall hue while still being wearable. I'm not really comfortable wearing eggplants or burgundies or like black or even deep red lips on a daily basis, but something like this I can get behind. It's kind of like that happy medium. This lip is going to dry pretty matte, and that is it. The look is complete and I absolutely love it. I really, really do. It's definitely a little more bold and sultry than my normal everyday look, but I'm totally going to rock it today. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. This palette really surprised me. I watched some different reviews where people just said the colors weren't really as buildable and as rich as they'd like them to be, but I think they look great. I love how the bounce technique worked. I thought they applied really well with brushes, but also for the areas that I used my fingers for, I was impressed with how much pigment was picked up and how it applied to my lids. And I also don't think there's like any fallout whatsoever. So that's really huge. The blush was amazing. I'm totally putting this in my everyday bag. I'm going to continue to use it. It just gave tiniest little like sun-kissed cheek, just what I need, nothing too much. I think I said in my last video that blush is one of the harder things for me to apply. Right up there with liquid eyeliner. This was super easy. And the fact that I did it with my fingers and didn't mess it up, that's huge. Thank you so much to bareMinerals for sending these products over. Once again, you do not disappoint. I adore your products. I adore your brand. I'm so happy and grateful that I have the opportunity to try your new products. They just continue to impress. So on to the most exciting part of this video, which I am just like bursting at the seams to share, my 10K giveaway. So I hit 10,000 subscribers this summer. I was hoping to hit it before my birthday, and I think I hit it like 1 or 2 days before. And I knew immediately that I wanted to say thank you in some way, shape, or form. So I have put together what I think is a really nice giveaway. I'm gonna be sending one lucky winner a bunch of all brand new full-size products from all of my favorite brands, all the brands that you see featured here often. A little way for me to say thank you for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Honestly, it means so much. So, how do you enter? 1, you have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel, which if you're watching this, you probably already are. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Step 2, make your way to the description box below. There's going to be a link. Click that link and follow the instructions. I'm going to be requesting an email address because that is how I'm going to be contacting the winner. So you have to fill that out. That's really, really important. 3, make sure you're following me on Instagram if you're on Instagram. I do have some fun things coming up over there and I don't want you to miss them. 4, go give my Facebook page a like. I have some fun, exciting giveaways coming up on Facebook as well, and I want to cross-promote these communities, these channels, so you don't miss a thing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Submit your email address via the link below. Follow me on Instagram and give my page a like on Facebook. Oh, and then the final thing I need you to do is leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite videos to watch from me are. If you're a new subscriber, it's okay. Let me know just what your favorite videos to watch on YouTube in general are. Whether it's beauty videos, style videos, hair videos, I don't know, toy videos, gaming videos. It doesn't matter what it is. If you are a long-time subscriber of mine, are you here for all the Manny videos or are you here for the style, beauty, fashion? It really doesn't matter. I'm just curious and I want to know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for helping me hit this major milestone for me in my little YouTube career. It's really, really cool and it just encourages me to keep going, creating fresh, fun, new content. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and be sure to enter my 10K giveaway because it's going to be awesome. We'll see you in my next one.